MSPs choose BackupAssist for our comprehensive Windows backup solution, as well as our experience in helping thousands of MSPs generate profitable backup services for their clients. The BackupAssist Managed Backup Console, or the MBC, is the platform in which we have poured all the experience and learning to make backup as a service easy for MSPs. In this video, you will learn the following about the MBC: simple and no-fuss setup, managing clients, securing staff accounts, everything you need to know at a glance, and billing and payment that is simple and fair. First, we will look at the simple and no-fuss setup of the MBC. You would have received an email invitation to the default account email you provided to Client Success to activate your MBC account. Follow the Activate Account link to set up your account password. Once completed, your account will be activated and you are now ready to register BackupAssist Classic, ER, and 365 applications to your account. To register, simply go to the relevant application's registration screen and enter the username and password. In this case, we are using BackupAssist Classic, and we go to the licensing screen. Follow the Register with MBC button and enter the username and password for your account. Once the account is authenticated, you will be given a drop-down selection of which client and site you want to associate this installation with. You can select from the existing options or create new categories for this install. And that's it! You can now freely use BackupAssist Classic and create your backups. Second, we will look at how the MBC organizes your clients. Once you log into the MBC portal, in your dashboard you can see the MBC separates your installations into two levels: clients and device groups. Installations are grouped by clients for billing purposes, so you can easily allocate charges against each client. Each client can use one or more device groups for grouping allocations into business units or other logical groups. Next, we'll show you how the MBC can secure staff accounts. Each MBC account can have multiple staff or user accounts. Each user account can have one or more of the following roles: organizational role, billing role, or technical role. This allows for segregation of duties and quick response to staff and role changes. We highly recommend you enable two-factor authentication for all users. Now we'll take a look at the MBC dashboard that gives you everything you need to know at a glance. You can quickly see the number of clients, device groups, installations, and backup jobs you have, as well as how many licenses have been charged this month and the previous month, and how many installations are currently still under their free trial period. If you want, you can actually filter to see how many different products you have licenses for, and click on the number to drill down to find out the exact licenses that have been charged. In this case, we have BackupAssist Classic with 2 add-ons and a BackupAssist ER. More importantly, in the dashboard you can quickly find out which systems require attention. For example, if they have backup issues, or if they have missed their backups, or if for some reason they have lost contact with the MBC. In this example, these installations have lost contact with the MBC. In the bottom half of the MBC dashboard, you'll find a table containing all your backup jobs and their current status. This is sorted by default with the system requiring attention at the top. For example, you can see that this system has not had a successful backup for over 174 days. You can quickly view detailed job reports to find out what exactly went wrong. In this example, it was a test restore job, and one or more files or directories failed verification. You can drill down to find out which file or folder failed the verification. Other useful features on the dashboard include the account summary, which estimates the cost you will be charged in the coming month, as well as the actual cost you were charged in the previous month. You can also configure your daily email configuration by adding email addresses that you want the daily report to be sent to. This email will include reports from every backup job in the last 24 hours. Finally, the MBC has a very simple and fair payment process. Your account will be billed monthly at the start of the next month. You are only billed for what you have used in the previous month. In fact, if you had a system that was running backups, but all those backups failed in the previous month, then that system will not be charged. Your credit card is charged 2 days after your monthly statement is issued. If you have any questions about the MBC, please feel free to contact our client success team for assistance.